Not going to waste your time in this video. I will show you how to make a talking animated avatar like mine using free AI tools. It's no secret. The channels who have an animated avatar are blowing up on YouTube and other platforms right now. The channel 10x Income grew from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just 3 months with his avatar. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, creators like Dreamin'-based Zeus screw millions with their avatars. So without further ado, let's get into the creative process. The first thing we need is a character for your video. Using only free AI tools. Step 1, we're going to generate a character with CapCut. Download it from Google Play Store or App Store. You just need to open it up. Then you're going to search for text to image. This function is a lot like Midjourney, and you can use it to generate images of anything that you want. Here, I've pasted an example prompt in the description that you can use directly, but basically I'm telling what it should be wearing, what the room looks like, everything that the AI needs to give me, exactly what I'm looking for here. Let's move forward with this one. When you click download, you're going to notice that the image is super low in quality, and that's a problem. To clear this up, we can search for Image Upscaler, which is another feature on CapCut. Just go ahead and plug in your image and choose the 4K setting, and boom. Now we have a crystal clear image. Step 2. Now we're going to modify the background and make it even better. To do this, we're going to come to a tool called Adobe Firefly. They have this amazing new tool where you can basically generate any background you want for any image. First, you're going to create an account and then head to Generative Fill. Then upload the image that we created in CapCut, and now just use your imagination to remove or add anything that you want in. So now we have the completed design of our character and background when you download it. Though there's going to be this ugly watermark. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove it for free. To remove it, we can use a tool called Clip Drop. All you need to do is select the text remover and then upscale our image with Clip Drop to achieve a higher quality. Step 3. Now we're going to animate the character with the mask. There's now a simple free method with AI that works almost just as well. So to animate our masked character, just go to Artflow AI on your browser. You're going to need to create a new account. Then just click on the video studio in the sidebar and open a new video here. You can upload your image from the upload section in the sidebar. Once it's uploaded, Artflow will detect its face and it'll ask us to enable speaking animation. Just click here and then type whatever you want them to say in the box below. From there you can choose an AI voice, or you could upload your own as an audio file. So let's say that you wanted to use your own voice like I do. You could then import that voice and add the voice over as well. And I will be showing you guys how to create high retention scripts and voiceovers in a future video. But for now I'm just going to use the AI voice that they have for the sake of this example. So again, just plug in the script and the AI will put it all together next. We're just going to click Export and Artflow. AI will make the video for us in a few minutes now. Again, when you export your video from Artflow, it is going to have one of those annoying watermarks. But don't worry if you want to remove a watermark from a video. I also have a tool that can do that as well. It's called Media.io on their homepage. You can just click on Video and then come to Watermark Remover. Once you've uploaded your video, it's really easy. All you need to do is highlight the watermark section, and they have this little green brush that you can select to move over objects. And boom! Now we have a clean version of our masked character. So here's how the project turned out. This actually works. And think about it from a psychology standpoint. Having an avatar is going to help your audience connect more with your Faceless channel, because without a connection, then your Faceless videos will just get lost in the sauce of YouTube. So, if you like this video, please drop it a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.